Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to write a factorial program using C language. So what is a factorial of a number? So factorial of a number is product of all the integers from 1 to that particular number. For example, if you take factorial of 3, we can calculate factorial of 3 as 1 into 2 into 3. Okay, then we will get 6. So mathematically it is very simple. So factorial of n is, you start from 1 and up to n you take the successive numbers and do the multiplication. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into like that up to n. Okay, fine. Now how can you think in programmatically? So what is the programming approach for this factorial of a number? Suppose for my program I am trying to write the program, and for my program I am giving the input 3. Now if you observe carefully, so here 1 into 2 into 3, so more than one multiplication. So in computers at a time we can't do this many multiplications. So internally how these multiplications happen? First 1 into 2 is multiplied and the result is stored somewhere with that result, that is I think 2, and it is multiplied with the next number. So like that this multiplication 1 into 2 into 3 happened. So for that in program I am taking a variable result and I initialized with 1. Okay, then my expression is result equals to result into 1. That means initially result was initialized with 1. If you multiply any number with 1 gives the same number. So for that reason result equal to result into 1. So next I multiplied my result with 2. So already we have 1 in the result variable and it is multiplied with 2, so that we get 2 in the result. Then result equal to result into 3. That means we have 2 in my result variable and 2 into 3 get 6. So the output is the result. Whatever the value available in the result variable, that is our output. So if you observe carefully, so same multiplication operation is carried out 3 times. Okay, so by observing this you can say that we need some iterative statement, that is loop. So loop is needed. Within the loop you can write expression, single expression, but this expression can be executed n times. If your factorial number is 5, so this multiplications happen 5 times. If it is n times, that means loop has to be iterated from 1 to n. So this is the loop condition, right? Now what is the expression? So result into 1, result into 2, result into 3 means here number is incremented by 1. So I can write like this. So our result variable is equals to result into, already we initialize the result with value 1, so that the value, the first multiplication value can't change. Result into, I can write I instead of writing 1 2 3 like that. So I initialized I with 1 and within the loop I iterate the loop from I equal to 1 to n. So this is the simple logic. So how can you do the factorial of a number? You take 1 up to n. On each iteration you multiplied with the next successive number. So you need a loop for doing this factorial of the number. Now we will see how to write the factorial program using C language. So here I am using CodeBlocks editor. So here we need the variables of int. I am taking input to read the value from the user. I need a counter variable. I am taking I and initialized with 1, and also I need some result variable. It is also initialized with 1, and so this is a printf statement. Enter input. Scanf. So to read the input we need scanf input, and so here we need a loop. Okay, so I am taking while loop. So you can take any loop. So while loop, within the loop I have to write the expression. Now what should be the condition for this loop? So I am taking the counter variable I, and it should be less than or equals to our input. And here the expression should be written as result equals to result into I, and also I should be incremented for each and every iteration, because result was initialized with 1. First time it multiplied with I is 1 at the first iteration, and 1 will be stored. Then the next 1 into the next number 2, it will be stored. Then 2 into next number 3, like that it is going on until I reach it to our input. Okay, then I am going to print the result. So factorial value is, so because it is integer, %d, comma, so here I have to write result. Right, now I save this program and I execute this program. So no errors. It is asking input, so I am giving 5 as input, and I received the output as factorial value is 120. So I tried with some different value. Suppose I am giving 4. So I get the factorial value is 24. So like that we can write the factorial program using C. So it is very simple. So I hope you understand this well.